Felker, we mentioned, do you know what that is?
Every camp in creation, with the exception of Federation camps that did not have color war, every other camp in creation of whatever denomination that you can think of ended the season with color war. Camp Boiberik did not end the season with color war. Camp Boiberik ended the season with something called the Felker Yontef. And what the Felker Yontef was the realization, the fulfillment of the vision of Isaiah, where all the countries live in peace, where the lion lies down with the lamb, where they make war no more.
The last weekend of the camp season, each bunk would become a nation. We'd be given that. We wouldn't choose. Someone would give it to us.
There were not only countries on the map, there were countries that may have not been on the map. For example, I remember one year one of the countries was the Walloons. Well, the Walloons are the French-speaking Belgians. So he included not only the major countries, he found the minor countries where there was a national feeling or motive.
We each had a song, our own song. We had our own dance, and that was all performed on Saturday night.
There was also a folk Yidden, and this is well before there was a state of Israel, and there was a folk which he created called Boiberik, and the hosts to this fulfillment of the vision of Isaiah was the folk Boiberik. And the second in command after the Boiberik to greet and host were the Yidden. Eventually, when there was a state of Israel, of course, became one of the primary hosts.
Saturday, they had a campfire. They had flats set up for each country with some picture on it depicting that unique country. And there'd be a campfire in front, and everybody go around sharing food and dancing and talking and all kinds of. And the guests were all on this field also. So it was a mob of people. And everybody was, involved with their own group and then with other groups. And then Sunday night, they had the big festival in the auditorium. Everybody used to come up. The old-timers that came, the guests, they stuffed the place. Couldn't sit down. There were people standing around because there were so many. And each group would be called up, and they would do their dance and sing their song. We had a 40th reunion, a bunch of people who were in camp in the 1940s. And I recited my part word for word. Nimm die Hack und lass sich laufen, brech Matzeves auf die Quoren, spalt Skeletten von die Mesem und verschreiben alles Worem. Abgemerkt soll sein auf ewig jeder Simen von Milchome. I was 15. And we can all, all of us, it was that important to us.